Good morning, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is a bright, hot, very sunny, very hot day, and I have a lot of work in front of me. I'm started journaling and it feels so good. I also bought few pens from this brand called Muji. I always see their ads on Instagram or Facebook, get some stationery items from them. So yeah, the quality is really good and it feels really nice when you have new stationery items, and it feels nice to write down, to just, it feels like a motivation to journal more. Currently I have few videos to shoot. Best part is I'm going to Jaipur tomorrow, going on a brand trip, which is very exciting. I'm just very blessed, very grateful for this. I'm going with Wink Cosmetics, launching some kind of lip balm. We will stay there for 2 days and we'll have a lot of fun. So I'm just checking up with my manager with the outfits. I just got my tickets and my flight is tomorrow 4:30 p.m. So I'm gonna reach there by 7:30 maybe. Finish my work and I'm gonna head out because I have to do my nails. I'm gonna start my work now.
Could be sweet, the starlit sky, our love's secret line. Like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color,